Professor Barsha Bijayini Muduli, Mathematics, Department of Basic Science and Humanities. Today we are going to discuss about matrix. What is matrix and how we can use matrix in our mathematics, engineering mathematics work. So matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers. Numbers can be complex or real numbers that can be written in horizontal and vertical ways. Like we can take an example of a matrix. That is, matrix is denoted as capital letter. It is written as some row that is in horizontal ways and in some column that is in vertical ways. So let's take an example of it. Matrix A contains elements like A11, A12, A13 up to A1n. Then if we come to second row, then we write it as A21, A22, A23 up to A2n. Similarly, we can write these numbers up to m number of rows, that is am1. M is the number of row, 1 is the number of column. am2, am3, amn. Here we can conclude that is this is a m plus n matrix. What is m and what is n? N is number of row, n is number of column. Okay. Then come to order of a matrix. So order of a matrix written as it contains how many number of rows and how many number of columns. Let's take a matrix A that contains 2, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Then what is the order of matrix A? So we can calculate it as row is 1, 2. So here n, that is number of row, that is 2. Then the number of column, that is n, that is number of column, that is 3. So we can write order of A. Order of A as 2 plus 3. Okay. First digit represent the number of rows. Second digit represent number of columns. Then come to types of matrix. Row matrix. What is row matrix? Row matrix is having only one row. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 7. One plus 7. Here always the number of row is always 0. Sorry, 1. that is 5 plus 1. Here the number of column is 1.